believe that music is elegant math. My entire life, I've been absolutely horrible at doing math. Memorizing facts for history? Got it. Balancing chemical equations in chemistry? No problem. Writing a paper for English? I can do that in my sleep. But solving math problems and finding the slope of a parabola? You may as well be asking me to walk on water. It is the one subject that has always made my head spin, and no matter how much I studied or how hard I worked, in the end, I still struggled. At best, I was average. One day, I walked into my first ensemble class, beginning band. I remember being so excited to finally get my hands on an instrument and start creating something incredible. I walked in believing that this would be the beginning of everything. We started in a place that I'm sure every music class does, with sheet music. Notes, rhythms, symbols, and what they mean. This foreign language is one that I today am in love with. But when I sat down at that desk looking at a rhythm tree, I felt like I was being played. Music involved math? Why hadn't anyone told me that before? I walk in ready to make music, and they're asking me to count? That day, I felt defeated. But I didn't stay defeated. Note by note and rhythm by rhythm, things started to click. Being given a piece that seemed impossible at first became an opportunity, because it meant one thing, that I could get better. I picked up my first instrument, and by the time I finished middle school, I played 3. There is a beauty that lies within music. Patterns and ratios, rules and equations. Everything adds up to create one elegant sound, and yet it can all be broken down into the simplest of parts. I believe that music is elegant math, but I also believe that that math is not limited to just how music works. I believe that I and everyone are part of the equation. The audience, the directors, the performers. Everyone comes together in this unifying experience that has the ability to change lives. Music has taught me to utilize my work ethic in ways I never could have imagined, and it has inspired me to share my passion with others. It has made me more resilient in pursuit of my dreams, and has driven me to now aspire to teach others about it. Starting out as a little kid who struggled with math, to becoming a musician who loves solving problems, was a transformation I didn't expect in a million years. But it was in that beginning band class where the transformation began. Music is elegant math, and I believe that my potential is greater than my position. I believe that my growth is more important than my grade, and I believe that the same is true for everyone. I believe in the beauty of patterns and sound, and I believe that it can change people's lives, just as it has mine. If someone who is as terrible with numbers as I am can love making music, so can others. I believe that music is elegant math, and that I'm a better person because of it.